At CROI 2015, Dr. Ronald Valdiserri had an opportunity to talk with Douglas Brooks, Director of the White House Office on National AIDS Policy.
This is Dr. Ron Valdiserri reporting from the 2015 CROI meeting, and I'm delighted to be joined by my friend and colleague, the Director of the White House Office of National AIDS Policy, Mr. Douglas Brooks. Welcome, Douglas.
Thank you, sir.
I wondered if you could reflect for our audience on the importance of science as a way in which we base our nation's national HIV/AIDS strategy. Really, how important is the science?
The science is essential, and some of the work that you and colleagues across the federal government, my predecessors and ONAP, have been so thoughtful about helping the nation understand the importance of science in leading us in all our efforts, whether to reduce new infections, to increase access to care, to eliminate the health disparities. The science is the place from which we start and has to be our guiding force.
So obviously the passion is critical, but as you're saying, we have to employ evidence-based approaches. And along those lines, what have you heard at this meeting that you think can be a part of our ongoing efforts to achieve an AIDS-free generation in the United States?
This morning's sessions on PrEP and the possibilities for it in becoming a game changer and really leading us to an AIDS-free generation was both exciting in the effectiveness that's been shown with men who have sex with men, and heartbreaking in helping us to understand some of the lack of effectiveness with women, and helps us think, as we are updating the AIDS strategy, the importance of novel technologies to benefit women around the world and at home as well.
Yeah. Hence the importance of continuing to invest in research. Douglas, you mentioned updating the National HIV/AIDS strategy. I wonder if you could share with our viewers a little more information about what you have in mind about that process.
We've just begun to think about updating the strategy. We have a very sound strategy. The goals are perfect, and I think we have general agreement that they're the right goals. We need to think about updating the actions and the steps and tweaking those in ways that we need to. As you know, we've begun having those conversations with our federal partners, and we'll be inviting community partners and external experts to help us think about any changes that we need to make to update the strategy.
Great, great. And obviously with our eyes on achieving an AIDS-free generation,
Absolutely.
Right?
That's
well,
right.
We thank you for your leadership and look forward to continuing to work with you to achieve the goals of the strategy. This is Dr. Ron Valdiserri signing off from CROI 2015.
For more information about the conference, visit www.croi2015.org. And for more information on federal HIV programs, visit AIDS.gov.